Happy morning, children. Hope you are doing good and safe. Today we are going to see summary of stuck. We are going to review from the beginning to end, step by step. Come, children, let's revise stuck. Children, after clicking the stuck icon from your mobile phone, you will be taken to this screen. This is the first screen of your stuck app. Here you will be asked for your email ID or username and password to have an account in stuck. So you must have a mail ID. Okay, using that you have to log in or you have to create account in stuck. Is that clear, children? Children, after creating an account in stuck, you will be taken to this screen. This is second screen of your stuck app. Here you can find list of games displayed. You can select and you can have a fun, children. Is that clear? After that, you will be taken to this screen. Create new avatar. You can find on top your name, whichever you used to create an account. And then by clicking create a new avatar button, you have to set up your character. Is that clear, children? Yes. Then you will be taken to the screen. Here you have to select whether you are female or male. And also you are allowed to change your stature. I mean your hairstyle and your dressing code and your slippers, shoes you can change. Your skin color also you can change. You can set up to your character. Is that clear? After that, you will be taken to this screen. Here you can find on top 3 tabs, that is draft, published and templates. From the draft tab, you are going to create your new game by clicking create your game. Is that clear, children? I mean published means after creating your game, you are going to publish and you are going to share with your friends from all over the world. Then templates means already created and kept. The background setup and all created and kept. You can select from there and you can apply to your games. Is that clear? Click create your new game and you will be taken to the screen. Now you can start developing your new games from this screen. Here you can add extra elements and you can set up the options and you can play and you can publish your games from all over the world. Is that clear, children? Hope you all familiar step by step of the stuck. Children, in the last class we have seen exercises. Most of the students not yet complete the homework. So let's revise once again exercises from stuck. Fill in the blanks. First one, Dash is a 3D game creation tool. Stuck is a 3D game creation tool. Dash technology is used in 3D stuck. Drag and drop technology is used in 3D stuck. Dash button is used to add new elements. Add button is used to add new element. Dash button is used to delete elements. Trace button is used to delete elements. Dash account is needed to work with stuck. mail account is needed to work with stuck. State true or false. First one, drag and drop technology is used in 3D stuck. It's a true. Second one, you cannot add more than one elements in stuck. That is a false. You can publish your game from all over the world. That is true. Fourth one, you must need a mail account to work with stuck app. That is also true. The next one, fifth one, you cannot have templates in stuck. That is a false. The next one, you should start building your game after profile creation. That is a true. The next one, avatar is a character. That is also true. Fill the missing letters. First one, stuck. STRUCKD, stuck. Second one, element. ELEMENT, element. Third one, avatar. AVATAR, avatar. Fourth one, search. SEARCH. The fifth one, filter. FILTER, filter. Children, identify the symbol. Please observe and keep them in the mind. The first one, stuck. Second one, trace bin. Third one, filter. The fourth one, add element. The last one, search. Just to practice, children, in your notebook. Draw neatly and study well. Have a nice day, children. Let's see in the next class.